Achieving a clean, well-organized workstation is straightforward with the Fellows Rising monitor arm and a standard desktop grommet. Let's walk through the installation and mounting options. Start by preparing the base. Ensure the clamp assembly is fully removed from the clamp bracket. Next, remove the 3 mounting screws securing the bracket to the base. Insert the grommet bolt into the hexagonal opening on the grommet mounting bracket. Then, reattach the bracket to the base using the same 3 screws, ensuring it's firmly secured. With the grommet mount installed, you have multiple mounting configurations. For desks with a 5/8" hole, position the bolt through the opening and secure the arm directly to the work surface. For larger standard grommet holes, position the base toward the front edge of the desk. This creates a clear path for routing cables through the opening, improving cable management. If additional cable pass-through space is required, the standard clamp method can also be used in combination with a larger grommet hole. This flexibility allows you to optimize both mounting stability and cable organization. For more workspace solutions, visit fellows.com.